Security is one of those things you don't really think about until the day you actually need it. For your site, that means protection from hackers, viruses, and losing all of your data. So I looked at how much each host protects you on its own, without you having to set anything up. And here's how they compare. First, the good news. Every one of these covers the essentials on every plan: a free security certificate, a firewall, and basic protection against the kinds of attacks that try to flood your website. So at a baseline, none of them leave you exposed. What separates them is the extra protection that they offer on top. So I'll rank them by that, from the least to the most. Namecheap does the least beyond the basics. Daily backups only kick in on pricier plans, and there's no virus scanning at all. DreamHost does a little more on every plan, even the cheapest. It backs up your whole site every single day, and it throws in free privacy protection so your personal details stay hidden. The one thing it holds back is automatic virus scanning, which costs a little extra here. Hostinger goes a step further by including that virus scanner for free on every plan, right alongside all of the basics. The only catch is that on the cheapest plan, backups only run once a week instead of daily. SiteGround is surprisingly secure. It runs its own custom firewall that updates constantly to stay ahead of new threats. It backs up your site every day, and it keeps each website walled off on its own, so a problem with someone else's site can't spread to yours. Cloudways was also a real surprise for me. Even on its cheapest plan, the strong stuff is all built in: a dedicated firewall, automatic backups, and free virus scanning. So for security, SiteGround and Cloudways are the two best ones. With either one, you barely have to think about it. So whenever you're ready to get started, the links for all 5 hosts are waiting for you down in the description, and going through one of those links gets you the best price possible. And if you go with Hostinger, there's also a full setup tutorial linked down below that walks you through the whole setup from start to finish. If this video helped you out, a like really goes a long way. And go ahead and subscribe if you want more simple, clear guides just like this one. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.